measurement of an angle ABC and measurement of arc is given, then we are using this given formula. For first part, angle ABC is equal to half measurement of a arc AC. But for second part, because of there is a 2 arc, so formula is angle ABC is equal to half major arc minus minor arc. So formula is angle ABC is equal to half measurement of arc AC minus measurement of arc PQ. Using these two formulas, we can calculate angle as well as arc also. Now, next topic is corollaries of inscripted angle theorem. These 2 points is very important for solving the sums. So first point is what? See, the first point is angle inscripted in the same arc are congruent. Means what? So observe the given figure. In the circle, there are 2 inscripted angle. Which one? Yes, it is first one is angle PQR and second angle is PSR, which is having common arc PR. Means this both angle having same arc, which is it is a PR, arc PR. So this common arc, therefore the both angle are equal in measurement or they are congruent to each other. So therefore we are write like this: measurement of angle PQR congruent to measurement of angle PSR. Now next point is angle inscripted in a semicircle is right angle. In the given figure, see in the given circle that angle ABC inscripted in a semicircle. So the semicircles having the angle ABC, this angle is always measured is a right angle. So that means measurement of an angle ABC is 90 degree. If you taken another angle, which one it is? If you are taken angle APC, see in the diagram. So it is an angle APC. Angle APC also a 90 degree. Why? Because it is situated in a semicircle. Okay, so it is an also a right angle. Next important topic is the cyclic quadrilateral. There is a given one circle. On this circle, take 4 points on the circumference of a circle. Join to all points. So, which figure is that? Yes, it is a quadrilateral. All vertices of a quadrilateral lies on the same circle. So, it is called cyclic quadrilateral. Now see the theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. So what is the theorem? Opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Supplementary, what is a supplementary? Yes, supplementary angle are two angle with a sum of 180 degree. So we want to prove that sum of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are 180 degree. Now see the given figure. So here it is a circle and on the circumference of circle there are 4 points we are taken. So which point? Point A, point B, point C and point D. Then we are joined this point and we get a figure that is cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So for this what we write a given? So given is this quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. Now what we want to prove? Now only we see that we want to prove that opposite angle. So which is the opposite angle? So angle A opposite angle C. So sum of these two angles, that is the angle A plus angle C, is equal to 180 degree. And next pair is what? Angle D. and angle B, right? So it is an opposite angle. So angle D and angle B, sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. So we want to prove these both. Okay, now we turn towards the proof. In this, see, this one circle is given. In this circle, arc ABC is intercepted by inscribed angle ADC. Okay, so this ADC inscribed, that angle inscribed ABC, which arc it is? Arc ABC. So that formula we written again, see here. Which formula? That angle ADC, it is an inscribed angle and is equal to half of measurement of arc ABC. Similarly, next is what? Another diagram. You can see that in that diagram again circle is there. In that, angle ABC is an inscribed angle and it intercepted arc ADC. So again next formula is what they are creating, that angle ABC is equal to half of measurement of arc ADC. So this first formula and second formula, means first equation and second equation, we are adding the first and second. So when we are adding, see the next diagram. In that, when two arcs are joined each other, they form the whole circle. Okay, so when we are adding these two equations, what we get? Measurement of an angle ADC plus measurement of an angle ABC is equal to half of measurement of an arc ABC plus half measurement of an arc ADC. So half is what? Common. So we are getting common, and whatever remaining, half measurement of an arc ABC plus measurement of an arc ADC. When we join these two arcs, so we get a whole circle. So whole circle measurement is 360 degree. So what is the next? Half into 360 degree. So what is the answer of 360 divided by 2? Yes, you are right. The answer is 180 degree. Therefore, measurement of an angle D plus measurement of an angle B is equal to 180 degree. It is a supplementary angles. Similarly, we can prove angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. You got it? Thank you.